Today we're going to solve three-digit addition using base 10 block strategy. So we're going to add 324 plus 127. First thing we're going to do is draw our place value chart. This is our ones place, tens place, and hundreds place. For addition, we're going to draw our first number, 324. So here we go. 100, 200, 300, 20, 10, 20, and 4, we're going to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next number that we're going to show, because we are adding, so we're going to draw our next number, which is 127. So here we go. 100, 10, 20, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to add all our ones, and you always start adding in the ones place in the first. You always start adding the ones place first. So here we go. We're going to count. We know that there's 7 here at the bottom. So we're going to count on 8, 9, 10. We're going to regroup this because we made 10. And we're going to draw a 10 over here. So now we know that we have one left over. So I'm going to put 1 at the bottom. We're going to count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And this is 50. Okay, we're going to add that with the 1. Now we're going to count our hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400. So 400 plus 50 plus 1 equals 451. Come back up here and write down our sum. And today, that's how you solve three-digit addition.